Chapter 9 Percentage Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to convert percentage to a fraction or decimal and vice versa. Solve story sums based on percentage. Warm up. See the grid and write the fraction for the shaded part. Teacher's note: introduce to the student that percent is a fraction with the denominator 100. Percent is denoted by the symbol percent, which is read as percent. Quick tip: percent always compares a value by 100 only. Converting a percent into a fractional or decimal. Solved example. Example 1. Express the following as fractions: A 42%, B 75%, C 28.5%, D 1 upon 5%. Solution: A 42%, 42 upon 100 is equals to 21 upon 50. B 75%, 75 upon 100, 30 upon 4. C 28.5%. 28.5 upon 100 equals to 285 upon 1000 is equals to 57 upon 200. D 1 upon 5% is equals to 11 upon 5% is equals to 11 upon 5 into 1 upon 100 is equals to 11 upon 500. Example 2. Express the following as decimals: A 92%, B 72.5%, C 42%, D 93.6%. Solution: A 92%, 92 upon 100, 0.92. B 72.5%, 72.5 upon 100 is equals to 72.5 upon 1000 is equals to 0.725. C 42%, 42 upon 100 is equals to 0.42. D 93.6% is equals to 93.6 upon 100. 936 upon 1000 is equals to 0.936. Facts to know: percent is formed the Latin adverbial phrase for percentum, meaning by the 100. Converting a fraction or a decimal into a percent. Example 3. Express the following fractions as percent: A 53 upon 100, B 7 upon 100, C 3 upon 5, D 12 upon 7. Solution: A 53 upon 100 into 100 is equals to 53%. B 7 upon 100 into 100 is equals to 7%. C 3 upon 5 into 100 is equals to 60%. D 12 upon 7 into 100 is equals to 1200 upon 7 is equals to 171. 3 upon 5%. Example 4. Express the following decimals are percentage: A 0.36, B 0.5, C 0.002, D 3.5. Solution: A 0.36 is equals to 0.36 into 100%. 36 upon 100 into 100% is equals to 36%. B 0.5 is equals to 0.5 into 100%. 5 upon 10 into 100% is equals to 50%. C 0.002 is equals to 0.002 into 100%. 2 upon 1000 into 100% is equals to 0.2%. D 3.5. 3.5 into 100%. 35 upon 10 into 100% is equals to 350%. Exercise 9.1. Question 1. Express the following as fractions: A 58%, 50, B 25%, answer 1 upon 4, C 20.5%, 41 upon 200, D 32.6%, 163 upon 500, E 21 upon 6%, F 21 upon 4%, G 40%, 2 upon 5, H 1 upon 4%, I 12.5%, 1 upon 8, J 20%, 1 upon 5, K 1 upon 2%, L 4.52%, 113 upon 2500. Question 2. Express the following as decimals: A 83%, 0.83, B 56%, 0.56, C 9%, 0.09, D 8.2%, 0.082. E. 86.5%, 0.965. F. 0.6%, 0.006. G. 63%, 0.63. H. 90%, 0.9. I. 8.5%, 0.085. J. 92%, 0.92. K. 2%, 0.02. L. 3.5%, 0.035. Question 3. Express the following fractions as percentage. A. 9.2 for 50%. B. 12 upon 5 to 40%. C. 63 upon 100, 63%. D. 11 upon 100, 11%. E. 1 upon 2, 50%. F. 13 upon 2, 650%. G. 9 upon 25, 36%. H. 3 upon 4, 75%. I. 2, 3 upon 5 to 60%. J. 3, 1 upon 4, 325%. K. 4 upon 5, 80%. L. 2, 1 upon 8, 213%. Question 4. Express the following decimals as percentage. A. 0.06, 6%. B. 0.35, 35%. C. 0.7, 70%. D. 1.32, 132%. E. 6.5, 650%. F. 26.4, 264, 0%. G. 0.5, 50%. H. 0.75, 75%. I. 0.08, 8%. J. 2.5 to 50%. K. 72.5, 7250%. L. 0.32, 32%. To find percentage of a given number. Solved example. Example 1. Find A. 62% of 550. B. 50% of 75. C. 5% of rupees 250. D. 11% of 440 km. Solution. A. 62 upon 10 into 55 is equals to 341. B. 50 upon 100 into 75 is equals to 37.5. C. 5 upon 10 into rupees 25 equals to rupees 12.5. D. 11 upon 100 into 440 km is equals to 48.4 km. To find what percentage is when one number is another is known. Example 2. What percent is 48 of 600? Solution. 48 of 600 is equals to 8%. Example 3. What percent of 50 of 150? Solution. 50 upon 150 into 100 is equals to 33.33%. Example 4. What percent of 55 is 110? Solution. 110 upon 55 into 100% is equals to 200%. Example 5. What percent of 70 is 14? Solution. 40 upon 70 into 100%, 20%. Example 6. What is the number whose 50% is 105? Solution. We have 15% of the required number 105. 15 upon 100 into required number 105. Required number 105 into 100 upon 15 is equals to 700. Hence 700 is the required number whose 15% is 105. Example 7. Write 25 paise as a percent of a rupee. Solution. 25 paise is equals to 25 upon 100 of a rupee. 25 upon 100 into 100% of a rupee. 25% of a rupee. Example 8. Write 50 meter as a percentage of a kilometer. Solution. 50 meter is equals to 50 upon 1000 of a kilometer. 50 upon 1000% of a kilometer is equals to 5% of a kilometer. Example 9. What percent is 4 meter 24 centimeter of 64 meter? Solution. 4 meter 24 centimeter is equals to 4 into 100 centimeter plus 24. 400 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. 424 centimeter. 64 meter equals to 64 into 100 centimeter. 6400 centimeter. Required percentage 424 upon 640 100 into 100%, 6.625%. Example 10. What percentage is 2 minutes 32 seconds of 2 hours? Solution. 2 minutes 32 seconds, 2 into 60 seconds plus 32 seconds. 120 seconds plus 32 seconds equals to 152 seconds. 2 hour is equals to 2 into 60 into 60 seconds, 7200 seconds. Required percentage 152 upon 7200 into 100% equals to 152 upon 72% equals to 1 upon 9%. Exercise 9.2. Question 1. Find A. 53% of 650, 344.5. B. 20% of 56, 11.2. C. 10% of 770. D. 6% of 8000 kilogram, 480. E. 30% of 150 meter, 45. F. 70% of 490 liter, 343. Question 2. What percent is A. 50 of 200, 25%. B. Rupees 150 of rupees 500, 30%. C. 55 liter of 250 liter, 22%. D. 250 kilogram of 900 kilogram, 30%. E. 49 grams of 700 grams, 7%. F. 52 meter of 250 meter, 20.8%. Question 3. What percent? A. 85 is 17, 20%. B. 64 is 104, 161.5%. C. 80 is 15, 533%. D. 200 is 12, 1666.6%. E. 75 is 150, 50%. F. 88 is 11, 800%. Question 4. What is the number whose 12% is 54? Answer 450. 5. Write 15 ml as a percentage of a Cl. Answer 150. Question 6. Write 20 grams as a percent of a kilogram. 207. Write 35 paise as a percentage of rupee. 35. 8. Write 72 paise as a percentage of rupee. 72. 9. What percentage is 7 grams? 80 kg of 65 grams. 10. What percent is 1 minute 48 seconds of 1 hour? Word problem. Solved example. Example 1. Shaurya scored 95% out of 500 marks. How many marks did he score? Solution. Shaurya's marks 95 upon 100 into 500. Shaurya scored 475 marks. Example 2. Mr. Raj purchased 12% more rice than Mr. Raghav. If Mr. Raghav purchased 480 kg rice, find how much rice did Mr. Raj purchased. Solution. Raj purchased by Mr. Raj 12% of 480 gram plus 480 gram. 12 upon 100 into 480 gram plus 480 kilogram. 57.6 kilogram plus 480 kilogram. 537.6 kilogram. Mr. Raj purchased 537.6 kilogram rice. Example 3. A group of 140% went for a conference. 20% of them were females. How many females were there in the group? How many were males? Solution. Total number of person 140. Number of females 20% of 140. 20 upon 100 into 140 is equals to 28. Number of males 140 minus 28 equals to 112. Exercise 9.3. Question 1. The total population of a town is 5,000. If 20% of them were children, find the number of adults and 50% of them were number of youngsters. How many are the elderly? Answer 1500. Question 2. In an examination, Minnie obtained 98 marks out of 500. How many marks did she score? Answer 490. Question 3. Trisha weighs 85 kg. If Urmi's weight is 50% more than Trisha's weight, then what is the weight of Urmi? Answer 97.75. Question 4. Mr. Tushar purchased 520 kg sugar. If Mr. Ram purchased 12% less sugar than Mr. Tushar, find how much sugar did Mr. Ram purchase. Answer 416. Question 5. In a class there are 60 students. 40% of them are girls. How many girls and boys are there in a class? Answer: 24 girls, 36 boys. Question 6. Agriya scored 90% out of 500 marks. How many marks did she score? Answer: 450. Question 7. A group of 80 students went for a school picnic. 20% of them were girls. How many girls were there in the group? How many were boys? Answer: 16 girls, 64 boys. Question 8. Sahil got 150 question as a holiday homework. If he solved 70% of the question, then how many questions will remain unsolved? Answer: 105. Question 9. Raj earns 2400 per month. If he saves 28% of his salary, then how much does he spend every month? Answer: 17,280. Question 10. In a GK quiz, Agriya won 12,50,000 rupees. If she paid 30% as income tax, then find her prize money. Answer: 8,73,500. Think wisely. What is 50% of 5 months if each month has 31 days? Answer: 77.5. Mental math. 1. Find the length whose 18% of 27 per centimeter. Answer: 4.86. 2. What the amount whose 12% is rupees 15? Answer: 125. 3. Find the value of the following: A. 24% of 175. 42. B. 85% of 225. 191.25. C. 5% of 12.6. 0.63. D. 15% of 15. 2.25. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Pencil. Steps. 1. Collect the information and find various percentages of your class. Information: number of students in the class, number of students present, number of students who play basketball, number of students who know dance, number of students who play field games, number of girls in the class, number of boys in the class. 2. Find the percentage of each of the above information. Prepare a chart and display in the class.